Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to disable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone iOS 18.1. For example, if you got the latest update and you got the Apple Intelligence in your iPhone, so how you can now disable this if you do not want to get the Apple Intelligence or want to use the Apple Intelligence. So first of all, we will discuss what is the Apple Intelligence. Basically, the Apple Intelligence is what you are using in your iPhones. So it is a personal intelligence system integrated deeply into your iPhone. So it will help you in daily tasks in your iPhone. So if you have that, you can simply do your daily tasks related to your iPhone more easily. So it is also integrated with Siri, so you can simply use Siri with the Apple Intelligence, and after all you can use it. Now if you want to use it, so first of all you have to make sure that your device is capable of that. So basically Apple Intelligence is now available only on limited device. So if you have iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max and 16, 16 Pro Max, then you will be able to get the Apple Intelligence. But if you have the device and you got the Apple Intelligence, now if you want to disable it, then how you can do that? For this you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, if you go to settings, then you can simply find it in general or related settings. So after that you can simply find the setting instead of Siri, though you will find the Apple Intelligence, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply turn it off again, and you have to turn off the toggle of Apple Intelligence, and your Apple Intelligence will be disabled on your iPhone. So in this way you can simply disable your Apple Intelligence without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.